Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a PayPal wallet without a bank account. First, visit the PayPal website or download the app. You'll need an email address and a mobile phone number to sign up. After entering your details, verify your email to activate your new account. To fully utilize your wallet for sending and receiving funds, you will need to link a debit or credit card. This allows you to manage your money effectively. To fund your PayPal account without a bank, you can link a prepaid debit card. Many stores offer these, allowing you to load cash directly onto them. Alternatively, you can receive money from other PayPal users, which will instantly appear in your balance. This method provides a convenient way to add funds and manage your spending, giving you flexibility without needing a traditional bank connection. Once your PayPal balance is funded, you have several ways to use it. You can make online purchases at millions of merchants worldwide, from small businesses to large retailers. Sending money to friends and family is simple. Just use their email or phone number. For added security, you can even generate a one-time virtual card number for online transactions, protecting your primary card details. For full functionality and higher transaction limits, it's wise to verify your identity. Be aware that some transactions, especially international transfers, might incur small fees, so always check the details. Most importantly, keep your account secure by using a strong, unique password and enabling two-factor authentication. These steps ensure your funds and personal information remain protected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.